Alright, back to the ball game. We're going to the third quarter. Gets a three, short. Let's go, Xavier. 24-20. Torres. The big man, miss. Rebound by number 99. Number 15, pass number 9. Running shot, gets the foul. Obrador, pass to Pope, pass to open man, and one for Stephen Legarda. Bonus shot for Stephen Legarda. And shout out ulit kay Sir Benito Legarda. Shot. Oh, isa pa. Jump ball. Torres to Merchant, 4-3, in and out. Out the pass to number 9, in and out, rebound by Torres. Torres, Hesi, steal, number 15, side step, too strong, makuha ni Enzo. Enzo nabitawan, out of bound. Harris, basketball. Drop pass, number 99, and that's a traveling violation. Andres, pass to Enzo. Enzo, umatake, in and out, rebound. Ayan na, ang Maris, number 30, derecho, and score. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan nating Xavier. Obrador. Paso Torres, binigay. Oh, that's trouble. Number 15. Half step, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 4. Steal by Andres. Nagagawan. Makakuha ni Andres, but there's a foul. Wala rito na ating Xavier. 26-23. Andres. Pass to Mateo. To Liao. Back to Mateo. Back to Andres. Andres top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa tres. By Andres Poblador. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Number 15, nabitawan. Makukuha rito. Ayan na, nag-aagawan. What a nice hustle from both teams, especially to Merchan. Mukhang nadaganan siya ni Mateo.
Uuwi pa kayo after prom.
Back to the ball game. Running shot. Nakabawi ang Maris doon. Andres, pass to Mateo. Mateo, kick out. Out of bounds. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass number 30. Umatake. Steal by Mateo. Mateo nagmamadali. Here comes Merchan all the way and one for Mateo Merchan. 2 shots. One shot for Mateo for a 3-point play. 31-25. Let's go, Mateo. Basket is good. 32-25. Number 9. Oh, steal. Here comes Liao. Liao all the way. No good. Mateo. There's a foul. 3 shots for Mateo Merchan. Once again on the free throw area. Let's go, Mateo. First shot is good. Two for two for Mateo Merchan. Gets the shot, no good, rebound. Ayan na, nagagawan. Out of bound. Xavier School Basketball. Andres, pass to Pope, step back 3, short. ka na magawan. Ito dito. Mga natamaan. Number 30. Hand off to number 15. Number 15. Umatake. Too strong. Rebound. And there's a foul. That's jersey number 9. That's Stephen Legarda. Take a shot. Miss. Rebound. Makuha ni Liao. Pass to Andres. Andres! No good. Ay na nagagawa and gets the foul. That's holding foul. Same ball tayo. Tatanggap. Binigay kay Mateo. Mateo running shot and basket is good. Ayan na ang Maris number 15 nagmamadali. Side step. Oh! But there's a foul. Miss. Oh, good. Rashan. Pinasa corner, Liao. Swak na swak yan for Liao. Number 15, out of bound. Andres. Save by Andres. To Enzo. Messi. Ooh. There's a foul. Penalty. Remaining time, last 43 seconds. First shot by Enzo Yao. Let's go, second shot for Enzo. Basket is good. Substitution, Cheng coming in. Last 43 seconds. 40-25. Ayan na, double team, number 30. Number 15, spin, running shot, miss. Number 4, wala pa rin. And out of bound. Spin move, number 9 gets the foul. shot. Jersey number 9. Basket. Last 15 seconds. Going for his teammate. Pass to Enzo. Hoy, Enzo. Let's go. Makitatawad ka. See, last touch. Last 8 seconds. Third pa lang. Uy, number 4. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 40-28 in favor of our Xavier School. Tayo na daw na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Let's go Xavier for the finals. Magkakaalaman na tayo sa fourth quarter. Let's go! Shoutout po muna tayo kay Sir Erwin Tan is watching. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa lahat ng nanonood nating live. Sir Erwin Tan. Back to the ball game. Mateo gets the foul. Andres looking for his teammate. Pass to Mateo, running shot, no good. Rebound by number 9. Hand off to number 15. Up and under, too strong. Out of bound. Bola dito ng ating Xavier School. Mateo. Pass to Andres. Andres. Cuarpas. Sheng. Oh, sorry, that's Liao. With the easy 2 points. Buhay, nakalusot si number 15. Number 15, spin. Binigay. Number 14 gets the foul. First shot is good. Second shot. Basket na naman. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng ating Xavier. Let's go. Andres. Naitawid. Andres umatake, block from behind. Same ball. Time out. Xavier School. Official score 42-30. Yan natin ang paddle dito ang ating team. Coach Howie. Okay, back to the ball game. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Xavier School basketball. Yao, jump shot, miss, rebound ng Morris. Number 15. Nice sa corner. Number 9, basket. 42-32. Torres, Tulyao. Pass to Poblador. Andres gets the foul. Ganda ng pasa naman nun. Pero may blocking foul ang Morris dito. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Bola rito ang ating Xavier. Substitution. Pass to Pope. Kick out. Mateo gets the travel. Bola mapupunta sa Morris. Number 15, nagmamadali. Crossover, up and under, what a pass. Tumira, wala. Rebound ng Morris. Number 9, walang tawag. Rebound ni Stephen. Pass to Pope. Pope with the Hesi. Crossover, in and out. Pass to Poblador. Poblador, running shot, and basket. Ayan na ang Morris, nagmamadali. Number 30, binigay kay number 9. Spin, umatake. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Morris. But there is a foul. Nasa corner, take a shot, miss, rebound by Pope. Torres nagmamadali. Here comes Torres. Torres, sidestep, block from behind. Andres will recover, pass to Mateo, fake. Another traveling violation. Morris School basketball. Number 15, binigay, steal by Enzo. Bola natin. Mateo, crossover, umatake, too strong, rebound by Enzo. Enzo tumira, short. Rebound ng Morris. Out and pass. Steal by Enzo. Pass to Andres. To Pope. Torres. Dere-derecho, too strong. Out of bound. Bola rito ng Maris. Number 25 ng mamadali. Floater basket. Andres, pass to Pope. Pope, binigay. Pass to Enzo with the cross. Enzo umatake. Block. For a save para sa Maris. Number 9. Pass to number 24. To number 15. There's a foul by number 14. That's Enzo Yao. Three minutes and 57 seconds. Bola rito ng Maris. Take a shot. Oh! Ooh la la! What a 3-point para for Maris. Outlet pass. Here comes Andres. Hand off to Pope. Setting on the play. Torres, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Yao. Offensive foul. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Number 15, take a shot. No good. Rebound. Number 24, binigay ka sa corner. Oh! Umahabol ang Maris. Let's go, Xavier. Awi tayo rito. Let's go, Pope. Torres, didiskarte. Setting on the screen. Torres. Using the height advantage. Kick out to Andres. Back to Mateo. Stop and pump. Oy, miss. Rebound. Nakuha ni Torres. To Poblador. 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Maris. Ayan na ang mga naka-blue. Number 15. Nagmamadali. Crossover. Side step. Wala. Rebound. Nag-aagawan. Number 15. With a putback. Time out, Xavier. Walang tawag ng referee doon. 44-41. Tingnan natin ang hadal ni Coach Howie. Time remaining 1 minute and 49 seconds. Let's go, Xavier. Go, Mateo. Back to the ball game. Mateo looking for his teammate. Pass to Pope. Hand off to Mateo. Back to Torres. Torres umatake. Too strong. Rebound by Pope. Torres. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Maris. Let's go. Defense. Ayun na. Number 15. Sidestep, binigay kay number 24. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Torres. Torres, out and pass. Andres, miss. Rebound. Setting on the play, number 15. Pass to number 9. Oh! Baba sa isa. Let's go! Andres. Pass to Liao. Hand off to Pope. Torres. Hesi, umatake. Gets the foul. Two shots for Pope Torres. Remaining time, last 27 seconds. Crucial free throw for Pope Torres. Let's go, Pope. Take time, basket. On the free throw area. Second shot for Pope Torres. 27.3 seconds remaining. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals? Basket para kay Pope Torres. Timeout. Pala natapos sa kabila. Hey! Habol tayo sa kabila.
Dito ka, LSGS ka, di ba? Anong ano mo? Kuha naman doon?
DL.
Ano yan? Anong LSGH?
DL.
Anong DL?
Zobel.
Zobel. Laban pala tayo, magalaban tayo.
Sino na? Huwag muna kayo mag-start, ha? Nandito pa ako sa kabila. Let's go! Bola rito ng Maris defense. Tatlo lamang ng ating savior. Oh! Munti ka na. Last touch. Last 24 seconds. Number 15. Pinasa ay number 4. Ooh!
Nice play.
Nice play for Maris. Time remaining. Last 16 seconds.
Dahil ng bawang dala. Dito kayo ulit.
16.4 seconds remaining. Whew. Bryce, pasok mo. Ubos oras, pare. Mateo looking for his teammate. Pass to Pope. Let's go. Torres gets the foul. Last 7.3 seconds remaining. Let's go, Pope! Oh!
Sabi ko, wag ako magagamit.
Let's go!
Malas ako sa akin yun.
Isa lang, let's go, Pope! Torres, bang! Time out! Dito, ang Maris. Let's go, Xavier! .3 seconds remaining. Good defense tayo dito. One stop for our Xavier. Let's go, Xavier. Ayan na. Pinagamit. Oh! And there's a steal by Andres Poblador. Andres Poblador for a crucial free throw. First shot, yes, sir. Miss mo lang, miss. Miss mo lang. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Oh, what a nice game to our Xavier School. Congratulations, Andres Poblador and the rest of the team. Alright, our final score of 49-45. So magtatapos na ating laban. Babalik po tayo for our next live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong manonood and congratulations. Pasok na po tayo sa finals at harapin ang De La Salle Zobel. Maraming salamat po.